Hello, welcome back to Everything Recordable, and today I have the Amkette Xcite new keyboard. It is a multimedia keyboard by Amkette. Here's the keyboard. I am using it for more than 3 months and I am really satisfied, and here's the review of it. Let's check out the keyboard box. There's the keyboard features from Amkette. It's a spill resistant keyboard, easy to access multimedia keys. Here, multimedia keys, the 5, and here's another 5. Sturdy, modern and elegant design, soft feel keys, superior comfort and typing experience. I bought it for about 400 rupees plus delivery shipping charges. And this is quite a nice keyboard and I'm really happy with my purchase. This one comes with a USB port and it has the branding. It's quite nice, has a good feel. The keyboard is also very nice and sturdy. And let me tell you one thing, this is a spill resistant keyboard and not a waterproof. In case you don't know what is spill resistant means if you drop some water it will go out automatically. How? There are some places from where it can really get out, like there are these holes, this one, this, here, there are many holes from where it will actually get out of the place. You can see what's behind that, so that's a nice thing. And you don't need, and this is not waterproof, so don't think if you put in a bucket of water it will survive. It won't. So there are the multimedia keys. That's a mute, that's a calculator, email, home, and this is probably the email. Wait, this is my PC, sorry. The middle one is my PC, home, email, play, pause, previous, next, volume plus, volume minus. You can also say it as a gaming keyboard because WASP and the arrow keys are colored in blue in the black variant, and it really looks very cool. And I don't know if you can see, but just below the escape button you can see the hole from where the water can get out of the place. And every set of key has its own channel from where it can get out, between the F2 and F3, between the F6, F7, and between scroll and pause button. Every set of key has its, even the arrow keys, the numeric keyboard, the actual one. So there are more than about 7, 8 or more than that. It's quite a nice one. Here's and it's very nice. They say that the keyboard is very soft feel, and yes it is. It's very soft and very smooth. Very smooth. I am using for about 3 months, more than 3 months, and I don't have a complaint of this keyboard. It's a very nice one. Even after using 3 months, every letter and everything looks as new as it was on the first day. There is UV coating according to Amkette. You see, especially UV coating on keys prevent the letters from fading. And yeah, it's true. It's shining till now, and the quality is very nice. The plastic is a very nice quality for 400 bucks. And if you are thinking you want to use it in a in a not in a computer and in a phone or tablet from USB. You can easily using a USB to micro USB converter, or what we say an OTG cable. Very nice. Here are the lights. So these are the paddings for it to rest. One here and one here. If this one is closed, these two, and if this one is open, these will rest. It's a very nice keyboard, and it's a perfect buy under 400 rupees. The design looks very cool, compact, and a nice feel. So here it's guys, and we are at the end of the video. Please like, share and comment. You're watching Everything Recordable.